Hi, my name is Terry Wilson from Wilson Architectural Building Designs. Today I'm going to talk to you about removing a chimney breast in your home. So, say for instance that you wanted to remove a chimney breast in your living room. Well, the wall that the chimney breast is on could be a party wall. So let's just talk about if the chimney breast that you want to remove is on a party wall. So because you're potentially removing this chimney breast and you're working on the party wall, the first thing you should do is speak to your neighbours, because you do fall within the Party Wall Act because you're working on the party wall. So you need to have a conversation with the neighbours and say to them, look, I'm removing the chimney breast on the wall. We do fall within the Party Wall Act. Is it okay? And they should say, if your neighbour is okay with you not employing a party wall surveyor, well, you can just carry on and remove the chimney breast. Obviously, your neighbour knows about all the banging and crashing that's going to go on, and he'll be fine with it. Also, there might be something on the other side of your neighbour's wall that you need to be aware of. So it's a good idea to have that conversation with your neighbour when you're removing or potentially removing the chimney breast on the party wall. Now, once you've sorted that bit out, then what you need to do is speak to a structural engineer and a building contractor, because the chances are, if you've got a chimney breast on the ground floor in the living room or dining room, the chances are there's another chimney breast directly above it. And if you remove this chimney breast, then the chimney breast on the first floor will want to just drop and fall down. So what you need is to employ a structural engineer that's going to design a steel beam that's going to run at high level from one end of the room to the other, with a steel plate cut out about 12 millimeters thick, that's cut out the same size as the chimney breast. So the steel would go in, the plate would go in, and it will support the chimney breast on the first floor. So once we got the beam sorted out, or the structural calculations, because we definitely need this beam, then the building contractor can then start removing the chimney breast. Now, it's got to be done carefully, because it's attached to a party wall, or if it was just a flank wall or side wall, if you live in a detached property, you would have to take these bricks out very carefully, because the last thing you want to do is start crashing and bashing and loosen up the whole of that wall, and then you'll have to end up rebuilding the wall. So there's just a couple of things that if you wanted to remove a chimney stack that you need to do. So the first things first is you need to speak to the neighbours if you want a party wall. You need to engage with a structural engineer, because you're going to need a steel beam and a plate to support whatever's above it. And then obviously employ a good building contractor that's experienced in taking down chimney breasts, and then you obviously all should be good to go. My name is Terry Wilson from Wilson Architectural Building Designs. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe on the links below for further updated construction advice videos. Good luck.